Let's make a pumpkin patch maze. All you need is a paper plate, this pumpkin template, crayons, green construction paper, scissors, orange pom-poms, and a glue stick. First, color and cut out the pumpkin patch images. You will be using these later in your maze. Then cut the construction paper into 1-inch strips. Using one paper at a time, glue one end of a paper strip to the plate. Make a loop, a curl, or any other shape with the strip to make a vine. Make sure to glue down both ends and make it fun because this is going to represent the pumpkin patch. Speaking of pumpkins, glue on those pumpkin images you colored earlier onto your maze. When you're finished, tilt the plate to roll the pom-pom, which represents a pumpkin, through the vines. You can always add more vines and change it up, but that is your pumpkin patch maze.